guys, welcome back to Be Expert. I'm your biology teacher is here again with the solution of question number 31 to question number 60 of test paper 2. Now in this video we are going to discuss the next 30 question, that is question number 31 till question number 60 of NTA mock test number 2. Okay, now let's start. So let's start from the first question of today and question number 31 of the second test. Question number 31 says, which of the following element is not an essential micronutrient for plant growth? So the option C, that is calcium, is right, because if we look at the essential micro elements, that is Fe, Mn, Zn, Bu, Cu and Mu. But if we look at the essential macronutrient is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sodium, calcium, potassium and magnesium. So calcium is a macronutrient, not a micronutrient. Now move to next question, that is question number 32. Question number 32 says, if birth and death rate were equal, a zero population growth rate would result. It is known as. So the correct option of this question number 32 is option C, that is stable population. Now if we talk about zero birth rate and zero death rate, this means that there is no net growth in population. So if we are having no net growth in population, so this results in stable population. So now move to next question, question number 33. Question number 33 says menstruation cycle occurs. So the correct option of this question is option number D, that is in all primates. Now we all know that. Now if we look at the explanation, we are having two types, that is non-pyramids and primates. Now if we look at non-primates are going to follow oestrocycle and pyramids are going to form menstrual cycle. So the correct option is primates, because menstrual cycles only occurs in primates, not in non-primates. Now move to question number 33, that is eutrophication is caused by. So the correct option is sewage and agricultural fertilization. Question, that is question number 35. Question number 35 says, which part of the ovary is found in Liliaceae family? Now if we talk about the ovary, type of ovary which is present in Liliaceae, it is superior and intercarpellary. Now move to next question, question number 36. In soma clone variation appears in plants. Now if we look at the explanation, now if we look at the term given, that is soma clones, सोमा क्लोन जो एक वेराइटी होती है, that is a progeny, is only appears when tissue culture is the process of reproduction. Now move to next question, that is question number 37. Question number 37 says, in honeybees the drones are produced from. Now if we look at the explanation, we know that the queen honeybee lays two types of egg. First is fertilized and the second type is non-fertilized. So the fertilized egg result in the formation of female bee and the fertilized egg results in male bee, which we commonly called it as drones. So when a queen honeybee lays two types of egg, first is fertilized, that is female bee, and the second is non-fertilized, that is male bee, and male bee results in drones. So the correct option is option number A, that is unfertilized egg. Now move to next question, question number 38. Question number 38 says active transport of ions by the cell requires 8. So the correct option is ATP, because in the active transportation ATP is going to supply energy, or the second option, that is due to which active transportation occurs, is concentration gradient of ion. Now move to next question, question number 39. The kind of epithelium which forms the inner wall of blood vessels. So the correct option is option number D, that is Squamous epithelium. Now move to next question, question number 30. Which of the following is not an insectivorous plant? So the correct option is Monotropa, because Monotropa is a sporophytic plant. Now move to next question, question number 41. Pregnancy begins with implantation of. Now if we talk about the implantation, the process of implantation is started when the blastocyst is implanted in the inner lining of uterus. So the correct option is option number D, that is blastocyst. Now move to next question, question number 42. The application of biotechnology includes all except. We have to tell that application of biology includes all the mentioned options but not. So the correct option is D, that is conventional hybridization. Now if we talk about conventional hybridization use hybridization process to give rise to new combination of gene into the progeny. Now move to next question, question number 43. In an organism, if the normal diploid number of chromosome is 8, how many chromatids are present in each daughter cell at the end of meiosis 1? Now if we look at the explanation of this question, we will find that after meiosis, the number of chromosome become half. So in the question it is given that there are 8 chromosomes, so it is going to reduce to half, that is 8 by 2, which results in 4. And we know that each chromosomes carry 2 chromatids. So the final result is 8 chromatids. So now move to next question, that is question number 44. Diaphragms are contraceptive devices used by female. Choose the correct option from the statement given below. Statement 1 says they are introduced into the uterus. Statement 2 says they are placed to cover the cervical region. Of statement 3, they are an example of physical barrier, and option 4th, they act as spermicidal agents. Now the correct statement is statement number 2, which is they are placed to cover the cervical region, and statement number 3, that is they are an example of physical barrier. So the correct option is option number C, which says that statement 2nd and statement 3rd are true. Now move to next question, question number 45. ABA is involved in, the full form of ABA is abscisic acid. Now ABA helps in increasing the dormancy of seed, that is, it is going to help involved in dormancy of seed. Now move to next question, question number 46. Calcitonin. Now we have to tell about calcitonin. So option A is correct, that lower calcium level in blood. So when the calcium level decreases in the blood, calcitonin results. Now move to next question, question number 47. Pollination that occurs in closed flower is known as, we have to tell which type of pollination occurs in closed flower. So the correct option is cleistogamy, that is option number B. Now move to next question, question number 48. Crop cambium is developed from, हमें बताना है कि crop cambium प्लांट के किस पार्ट से डेवलप होता है. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 2, दैट इज लेटरल मेरिस्टम. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, question number 49. Which of the following statement regarding coenzyme and prosthetic group of enzyme is not true? Now if we talk about coenzymes and prosthetic group of enzyme, they both are required for enzyme in reaction, and they all both are organic compound, and they both are non-peptide. So if we look at the incorrect statement, it is option number B, that is both can be separated from enzyme by dialysis. Now move to next question, question number 50. Which is not an opiate necrotic? Now if we talk about option A, that is amphetamine, it is a stimulant. Now it is a stimulant in potent central nervous system. Now it acts as a stimulator in the treatment of attention defect disorder. So it is a stimulant which is a potent central nervous system का ये stimulant है, which is helped in the treatment of attention defect disorder. Now move to question number 51, and question number 51 says chloroplast of Chalmodomonas is. So the correct option is C, that is cupped shape. Now move to next question, question number 52. Question number 52 says viral infection is usually absent in. Now the correct option is apical meristem. Now if we talk about apical meristem, this portion is present in apex of primary and secondary shoots and in roots. This stage, this plant portion of plant is an active cell division region. So apical meristem is an active cell division region where the cell division is very rapid, so which results in the virus free or any bacteria or any disease free part of the plant. So it is used in tissue culture. Now move to next question, that is question number 53. So question number 53 says the diagram below shown as cell cycle. Which of the following process occurs during V? Now we have to tell the process of V. Now first look at what V stands here. Now the diagram given in the question, I have drawn it here. So we have to tell about this V phase. So V phase here denotes the G1 phase of interphase, and in this G1 phase we can see that the synthesis starts. Okay, so the first phase of interphase is G1 phase, and it is denoted in the question by V. So if we look at the option, correct option, it is option number D, that is high metabolic rate and synthesis of protein and cellular organelles take place. Now move to next question, question number 54. Two friends are eating together on a dining table. One of them suddenly start coughing while swallowing some food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of. Now we have to tell why the second friend start coughing. So just look at the explanation. Now the correct option of this question is epiglottis. We talk about epiglottis. It is a flap which cover or which is present at the entrance of larynx. Now what it is going to do, it is going to separate nasal pipe from food pipe. Now if we are eating, the epiglottis will cover nasal pipe so that the food cannot enter the nasal passage, and if we are not eating, then the epiglottis is going to cover the food pipe that we are not eating, so the air can easily pass through the nasal pipe or the nasal passage so that we can breathe easily. Now move to next question, question number 55. Now question number 55 says, which one of the following is the first step of glycolysis? So the correct option is phosphorylation of glucose. Now look at the explanation. Now the term given in the question, that is glycolysis. The term glycolysis here states that glucose is converted into 6-glucose phosphate in presence of ATP. So the correct option is option number 1, that is phosphorylation of glucose. Now move to next question, that is question number 56. Question number 56 says, in mitochondria electron transport system. So the correct option of this question is option number B, that is option B, that is ubiquinone recessive reduction equivalent via FADH2 also. So if we look at the reaction, so let us have a look of the reaction. Now if we look at the conversion of NADH2 in ATP, it results in the 3 molecule of ATP in the presence of ETC. Now if we talk about FADH2 in place of NADH2, it will give 2 ATPs as a product in presence of ETC. Now move to next question, that is question number 57. Question number 57 says, which of the following branch of biology applies to both plants and animals? So let us look at the given examples first. Now the question gives us 4 terms. Now the first term is entomology, which is the study of insect. Second term is zoology, which is the study of animals. The third term is bacteriology, which is the study of bacteria. And the fourth term is taxonomy. Taxonomy is a study, or we can say directly the naming process followed both in plants and animals. So the question asked us which of the following is followed in both plants and animals. So the term taxonomy is the correct answer. Now move to next question. Question number 58. Name the unlabeled areas A and B of the pie chart representing the biodiversity showing their proportionate number of species of major taxa. Now, question number 58 gives us a pie chart. This pie chart is present in NCERT. Okay, so we have to tell the part A and part B is having. So part A is fungi, which is the largest number of fungi is present. Now the part B is angiosperms. Now, so the correct option is option number D, that is A, fungi, and B, angiosperms. Now move to next question, question number 59. Question number 59 says the Montreal Protocol refers to. So we have to tell about the Montreal Protocol. So the correct option is option number C, that is substances that depict the ozone layer. Montreal Protocol में क्या हुआ था? It was a treaty, or it was a treaty signed by over 150 countries in Canada. And this treaty is about that we have to control on the agents which is going to deplect the ozone layer. For example, CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbons. Okay. Now move to next question, that is question number 60. DNA or RNA segment tagged with radioactive molecules is called. So the correct option is option number B, that is probe. During biotechnology process, the detection of complementary sequence in nucleic acid is used when the DNA or RNA segment is tagged with radio molecule, that is probes are used. Now move to next. We have completed the 30 questions of NTA test number 2 के part 2 के हमने 30 क्वेश्चन निपटा लिए हैं आज, then a total of 60 questions. So the remaining 30 questions are going to be uploaded very soon, and we are going to complete the next 30 questions in that video. So if you like my explanation, my way of teaching, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Be Expert. Thank you.